Boy, si Jessica.
I like the girl
Hindi
that's
kaya.
super girly.
Oo.
Gusto
Si Divine, gusto mo?
Yeah, I like the Divine. I like her personality.
Sino yun? Sino yung isa?
Si Tintin.
Oo,
Gusto niya si Tintin.
Si Tintin, you like Tintin more? You like Tintin more?
Maybe your heart.
Wait lang, tell me, you like Tintin more than Jessica?
They're both cute.
No, only one. Choose all.
They're both, their personalities are very chill.
Ah,
Ano
just
personality
one.
ni Tintin?
Si Tintin, ano eh.
Sporty.
Sporty.
Tapos,
Pero she can wear a dress also. Like, she likes to be girly, but she can also be...
Yun ang gusto niya sa isang babae.
tapos, si...
There was a time.
What was it?
Tatanong sa akin.
Si Jessica and Tintin.
Jessica's kind of the same way too, pero I think Jessica's a little more girly.
Na Tintin.
Oo, siguro.
Di ba sino yung lalaking gusto yung ano? Yung hindi, si Slater, di ba? Sabi niya hindi siya gusto yung girl na girl.
Oh, same with Slater.
Kaya gusto niya siguro si Divine.
Oo.
Paco said when he came in, nagpasok siya sa bahay.
Nagyayakapan daw.
Oh, they were like this. Like this.
Magkapatong?
No, like,
Grabe naman
she was sitting down, laying on his chest.
Kaya like this.
Oh, ganyan. He was like this.
Wow! Wow! Ayun na siya.
Kasi mabait din kasi si Slater.
Oo.
Alam mo, sa Cebu, nagpapa-facial ako sa Vicky.
Pero they were mean to Paco. Except Roy. And Bigo. And Tin.
Si Roy kasi, kita mo sa kanya talagang mabait siya. Kasi siya.
I heard
then,
Roy was like this. He ran to the bathroom kasi like this looks like.
Hi,
So, who's it?
bye-bye. Tapos, yung pangalan ng nag-facial sa akin si Stephanie din. Sabi niya, bakit palagi kang pumupunta dito? Parang new customer ka. Bakit? Sabi niya, pwede yung i-move yung appointment natin next week. Sabi ko, hindi, pupunta na ako ng Maynila. Sabi niya, PBB ka, no? So, hindi, sino may sabi?
How did she know?
Kasi pala si Slater, cousin niya, sabi niya, PBB ka, kasi yung mga PBB ngayon pinapapunta na ng ganito. Sabi ko, hindi naman. Sabi ko, hindi naman. Sabi niya, PBB ka, alam ko, may kutub ako na PBB ka. Po.
Kala ko nakita mo.
Tapos sinabi niya, pag pumasok ka, makikilala mo yung, parang yung cousin ko, yung pinsan ko, si Slater. Gwapo, tsaka mataas. Sabi ko, pagpasok ko, wala naman Slater dito. Yun pala sa kabilang bahay.
Kita mo nung pasok ko sa conversion room. Kala ko si Slater yung nandun sa upuan.
And then you know,
Grabe, ang taas ni Sanjo.
she's so tall.
Ayaw ko na sasabihin.
I wish I was that tall.
Ka na naman sa.
I wish I was that tall. He's like
Grabe,
6'4", 6'5".
Sing taas lang ni John Estrada. Feeling ko sing taas.
He's taller than Sandro? John Estrada?
No.
Oh.
Same.
Oh, the same. 6'4", 6'5", has to be. He's super tall. You have to come down with his shoulder to, cause
Saan yung Saan ka?
Hanggang dito niya lang ako.
I'm only like he stands like his head is probably right here. Like, he was tall.
Yung mukha ni Kevin, he was tall.
I was like, and then I thought the game was still going on. I was like, no, he went like that. I went. I walked away, and then everyone was shaking.